Hello, I hope this is working. This is Andrew DeWint, your GA for Geography 276, Urban Regional Planning 276, and Geography 579. Um, Looking at a quick tutorial on using the national map for Lab 5. Had a couple people both in the lab and over email reach out with some questions about how to do this, and looking at just how to get data out of the national map. So here we are in the national map viewer. We can scroll in. In this part of Lab 5, we're looking at mountainous regions. So for this little tutorial, I'm going to just zoom into this part of Wyoming, which is where Yellowstone National Park is. And in order to download data, we have to go to the data download thing up in this ribbon right here up at the top. It's going to take a minute to load. We'll have to re-zoom into the area of the map that we want to extract some data from. And you can see we have all of these things over here. We can select part of the map either using extent, which lets us draw a square around the map, or if we have a weird shaped region that we want to look at, we can get a polygon and just draw click, 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 and double click to close that polygon, and it'll try and find this area. Because we're looking for elevation information, because we want to get a DEM that we can base some of these maps off of, we'll go to elevation products right here, check this. The default options are pretty good. We'll just hit search products here. We're not going to have to pay. It's the national map. It's free. I don't know why they call it products, but that's what we're looking for. It'll take us a minute to load in here, but this is going to show us, once it does load, all of the different DEMs that we can download that are for this area of the map. So you can see we have several in here. I'm going to pick, oh goodness, there are a lot of these. Each one of these is showing different areas within here. So if you mouse over, you can see that this one is showing the gray selected area in there. There are multiple different DEMs that are nearby. Let's just go with this one because it's somewhere in the area that we've selected. And to download it, all you do is just go to download link TIF. And that's going to download that file right there. It'll take a minute because it is a big file. But once that's done, all you have to do is move that file to wherever you're keeping your data for this lab. And then you can add the data to the map either directly or if using a folder connection in ArcGIS Pro, then you can turn that into hillshade, aspect map, distance from roads, I believe, any particular type of thing that we're doing for the lab, or if you're doing something professionally with GIS, you can get it in this method through the national map. So that's going to be the end of this tutorial. And we go to the folder right here and see here is our file that is downloaded. So that's basically the end of this tutorial. Hope this helps out. And I'm going to try and figure out how to turn the recording off.